I purchased my first ever motorized bike as a barn find. I still don't know if it's actually gonna run. I ended up finding it when Adam went to pick up a bunch of goat karts, and we ended up finding a barn find Miata that runs.
You're kidding. First start. You're sitting for 5 years.
And I saw this little beat up motorized bike in the background. This is what happened.
While we were looking around, Colette's just poking her nose everywhere. And she's like, oh, what about that Miata over there?
Look at it.
Hasn't been running like 6 years.
I need to learn how to paint, and this seems like a good first project. This little beauty's gonna come home with us. I'm excited. I saw a pretty cool looking motorized bike back there.
Yeah, but this one, man, this would be kind of cool for the compound, just saying. I feel like if you saved it and it's here, hopefully it's not blown up. Second we get more space and this is what happens.
So bad, already started.
This is pretty cool. Is this 2-stroke?
Yes.
That'll be sick. 250 bucks for both?
400 for both.
350 and you got a deal.
Okay.
I'm excited to see what runs.
I think this is gonna be my new little get-around whip
It looks
for the
sick.
compound. And then I can also practice painting, thinking neon yellow, hot pink. The usual. I weirdly think I'm gonna love this bike. We don't even know if it runs yet. It's a good paint project as well. Take a moment to thank the sponsor of today's video, Raid. It's been 2 years since Raid burst onto the scene and completely took over mobile gaming. And since then, Raid's only gotten bigger and better. If you're new to Raid, it's a turn-based RPG game that is free to play and available on both mobile and PC. You choose your champions, create your army, and develop their skills and experiences along the way. My favorite part of the game is definitely developing my current champions and discovering new ones. Now, I started my Raid journey with Elaine as my very first champion. She's a rare magic attack type warrior from the High Elves, and she is pretty rad. With well over 500 champions to discover and collect throughout the game, no two champions are the same, with unlimited options for gameplay. Raid just hit their 2-year anniversary with tons of anniversary events and tournaments going on right now. The schedule is absolutely jam-packed until the middle of April with lots of different prizes to win. Raid's huge already, and with all of their anniversary events going on right now, it makes it an awesome time to join the Raid community. Just hit the link in the description or scan my QR code to get some awesome perks, including your free champion Jotun, 100k silver, 50 gems, and the 3 ancient shards so you can summon some awesome champions as soon as you get in the game. All of this treasure will be waiting for you right here. Thanks again to Raid for sponsoring today's video. Now let's get back to it. Oh my god. Yeah, she'll be alright. This is my barn find motorized bike. It was screaming at me in the corner of this dark warehouse, and I'm really hoping that it works. We ended up getting this. We got the Miata. Adam got a moped that doesn't work yet. It's over there. We tried starting that, and I'm hoping we have luck with this. A little research, it says Skyhawk right here. I think this is just like a kit engine. It's a 60cc motorized bike kit that you can, I think, put on any bike. So I don't know if there's something special about this bike. You said it was a Huffy, right?
Did you say 60 cc's?
Yeah.
This thing's gonna rip. That's a decent amount. That on like a moped will do like 50.
Yeah, I feel like this kit, at least what showed up, because it says Skyhawk and then there's some other branding on it, but all the kits I saw that looked like this were 60cc, and we're hoping it starts. They're actually pretty cheap, so I thought this might have been like a expensive, rare find, but I think a brand new engine, like full kit to convert a bike with the tank and everything was like $250 or $300. I'm not sure if there's anything special about the bike. You said you could tell us it was a Huffy? Or you
Yeah.
were just guessing?
Yeah, it had some branding on it. It's cool though. It's like an old,
in the front.
it's like old school and it's like in pretty decent shape.
I love the way it looks. I want to put like a basket on or some carrier for my dogs. And I think this will be a really cool paint project for the paint booth. And a cool thing to ride around the compound to get around everywhere. We are gonna do some maths and figure out oil to fuel ratio for a 2-stroke. And fingers crossed that this actually starts. I think this has also been sitting for years at that warehouse. Bike stand still works, and there's no fuel that was left in the tank, so I'm hoping lines and everything will still be good, but we'll see. We got some Harley vibes going on with the orange. I really need something to mop around the compound because everything is so far away.
Right here.
Oh, yeah.
So
I wonder if
you'll
it's
play
up.
with that.
Maybe up is
This
off.
looks like an electric start, which doesn't make much sense. Or maybe this is a kill.
Yeah, that's probably kill.
Yeah, that would make sense because it's wired to your spark, so it probably kills spark and that's what shuts it off.
Yeah, just how else would you? I just letting it die, but that'd be the only way to like shut it off. Okay, so till, vroom vroom, clutch,
This
choke.
looks like choke on is probably up.
Yeah.
You can look inside and see, but it's kind of hard from this angle.
So probably choke on. All right, so for now we're gonna do some good old chainsaw fuel, and then it needs to be 32-to-1 ratio, so we're just gonna add in some oil. And this is like a whole crew just to get this bike running.
Little splash.
Little splash. There we go. We got that 50-to-1.
Oh god.
No funnel drain. Don't mess up.
Jeez, no pressure.
Honestly, should we just
You're just helping clean it.
Since it hasn't been running in a while?
Yeah, probably a little more won't hurt. If we all believe
Colette's like,
It is
I've been here
possible.
before. I pre-mix my rotaries all the time.
PTSD.
Yeah, you should be telling us how to do this.
That should be good. That's good.
Dude, everyone looks at you so weird at the gas station when you're like putting the oil shaker around. Where's the tap?
What's the track
Where's
record
that?
here?
Kick it. Let's like turn it over, like slowly. I wanted to try to just turn the engine over so you get a little oil in before you just go try to start it. I don't want to start it. I just want to get oil through
She
it.
sounds
got
good.
compression,
Even being,
dude.
oh yeah.
That'd be a high comp.
Oh, there's hope. There's hope.
All right.
That'd be cool. All right, you want to give her a shot? Pedal.
Thank you.
That's her first time riding a bike. Let her eat.
Okay, wait.
The tires are flat, so don't expect performance.
The rear tire's flat and the front tire's bald, so it's just like our drift bars.
Get some speed before you pop the clutch. Try popping it.
No.
You gotta
I don't
be.
want to let it out aggressively. I'm trying to slip the clutch a little bit.
It's gonna lock the back wheel up. You gotta get some speed and put some weight over that thing. You might not be heavy enough for this ride.
You gotta go way faster.
Yeah, you're going way too slow, Colette.
All right.
Get some speed. Give it gas.
It's a little stuck right
Might
here.
need a new glove, to be honest.
It wants to though. It wants to come alive.
I want to try it so
I
bad.
think that the choke is up.
Does a wheelie.
This is funny. Cut. Oh god, this thing is sketchy.
We could just put air in the tires. That's so annoying. That's so annoying. Every time, right? You know what? No, I warmed it up. I tried like 4 times. It was like, Yep. I just wanted to, you know, give that moment to him because I care so much. No brakes. Chill.
Okay, so that works.
Yeah.
I'm gonna test it real quick and make sure it just starts normal. I probably should start using it.
Yay!
This thing's sick.
Forgot about that. This is great! Oh my gosh!
It's so cool.
Damn, I feel bad for you then. 2 out of the 3 run, except for your little moped.
Yeah, that thing unfortunately is gonna be a little bit more
I'll run
ordeal.
soon.
I heard 90 miles an hour too.
We got our expert coming.
Really?
My friend told me, yeah.
Jeez.
That same one?
Yeah.
You're gonna get your ass handed to you.
Yeah? I don't know.
Here you go.
Thanks. Oh my god, I love it! And it actually works! What? Hey, don't crash my bike! Hey, we all need to do these little conversion things. So that whole thing, the conversion kit, fresh engine, fuel tank, everything you need to convert a bike, like 250 bucks. Hell yeah, barn find for the win. I can't wait to build this thing. Yeah! Now I finally have something to get around the compound. Oh, this is so sick, you guys. What if I turn into a bike girl now? I can put a carrier on the back too to haul stuff around. This is gonna be so much fun. I'm lucky that I don't think I'm gonna have to get a new engine, which is great. I was thinking we're gonna have to clean the carb, new spark plug, but nope. Just like the Miata, after years of sitting, it just started right up. So I think some of the first things I'm gonna end up doing to this is one, just completely detailing it and cleaning it, and then start prepping it for paint. There's a lot of like oil, grease, grime, buildup everywhere. But yeah, I would love to just go straight into prepping this thing for paint, maybe getting some new pedals here. Adam has a bunch laying around. This pedal is busted. Look at that. I'm gonna end up getting a new seat as well for it. I don't know what type of like carrier or basket thing I wanna build out on the back there, but this is gonna be so useful for getting around the compound. Probably get new handlebars or at least paint these. I'm stoked. Send me your ideas in the comments below. Barn find for the win. She's a little rough around the edges, but I think she'll clean up nice.